Hey everybody, Jamie here, New England Haunter. Welcome back. You may notice a slight change in scenery today. We're actually in my office. It just kind of made things easier on me today. I hope the audio is all right. You're also going to notice a slight change in my content for some videos coming up. We're still going to do the build tutorial type of videos between now and Halloween, but I have to start buckling down and start tweaking my own haunt for here at the house. There's a lot of things that need to be fixed, kind of repurposed, repainted. There's things that I started and never finished. So we're actually going to start today with my cemetery fence columns. I did a video for you guys a number of weeks back. I will link that in the description below. I never actually finished them. We built toppers and we added lights, as you may have seen in the video, but yeah, I never actually connected them all together. So we're gonna do that today. And I also have to fix one of them because when I went to put them away after the video, I broke one. So it's never ending. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. Calling this one DIY Halloween Cemetery Fence Columns Part 2. Let's do this.
Step right up, come on in, join the show, it's about to begin.
Alright guys, so these cemetery columns may look familiar to some. If you caught my original walkthrough upgrade tutorial, I will link that in the description below, but I never actually attached those new toppers that we made or the lights, so we're going to be doing that today. And we're also going to be repairing this skull plaque. As I was putting it away after the initial video, it ended up getting knocked down onto the pavement, split the skull, even knocked pieces off. So I'm hoping we can repair this with hot glue. Also, the paint job on those skull plaques, they've sort of faded over the years, so I am going to be doing my patina paint technique to kind of freshen those up. If you guys caught my skull plaque tutorial I did earlier this season, you'll know that these were originally held together with hot glue. And these have lasted here in the elements for a number of years, so I'm pretty confident that this hot glue will work for repairing. As mentioned earlier, yeah, I have a lot to do as far as getting my graveyard display up and running, so there will be more videos like this of fixes and tweaks, but we will be doing build and tutorial videos as well. So here's how it looks. It's not perfect, but it is held together pretty good. And again, I am going to be adding a new coat of patina over that, so it should cover it up to where nobody's really going to notice it. So while that cures, I'm going to attach the new light fixtures to those toppers we made. And the plan here is to drill holes through the foam. I have purchased threaded rod that I plan to secure on both the top and bottom with nuts and washers. Initially, I was going to use all 4 mounting holes to secure these. I thought that was kind of overkill, so I just decided to do 2 diagonal holes. And guys, check these out. They turned out awesome. They are super secure. I'm really happy how these look. As mentioned earlier, here I am adding a fresh coat of patina to these skull plaques. This technique is shown in depth in my skull plaque tutorial video. I will link that in the description. I hope this translates well on video. In person, those skull plaques look great. They really match the patina on those lanterns now. And here's that repaired skull up close. Yeah, you can still see it, but a couple feet back, you're never going to notice it. I'm very pleased how these turned out. Apologies guys, I did end up attaching those toppers to the columns off camera. Those are 1-inch corner brackets. They're just screwed in. I may go back at some point and just add a little bit of paint just to kind of cover those up. But yeah, they're super sturdy. They're definitely not going anywhere. I did receive some comments from some folks suggesting flame flicker bulbs. So I did try those out, and man, I have to say they are fantastic. Thanks guys, I'm absolutely going with these. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you stuck with me, I thank you. Again, there will be more videos like this coming up between now and Halloween. So until then, hope to see you around. Stay safe.